Nagbabike yung mag-ina. You have now to learn how to bike, Khaled, ha? I told you. Use your right foot to pedal. Your right foot. Right foot. Oh, turn right. Turn right. Oh, ang galing. Again, right foot again. Kasi yan ang dominant mo. Good job. You can do it, baby. Take your time. Relax. Focus. Mamaya lang, marunong ka na. Ayun si mami, nagwi-wait oh. Keep going. Sige nak, bye ka lang doon, tapos balik ka na lang. Para hindi ka natitigil.
Hawakan nila lang.
Pagbalik mo, marunong na yan.
Tingnan mo ako mag-bike.
Malukot, ma'am.
Like this?
Eh, ikaw kaliwa ka eh. Oh, si ma'am. Tumatayo pa. Nakita mo? Nakatayo pa si mami. Mamaya, kita natin ng improvement. Baby Khaled. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
I can do it.
Push.
Push.
Okay, go. Ayun na si mami, oh. Bumalik na si mami. Come on, go. Galing-galing. Nakatayo pa yung nanay mo. Oh. Nakatayo pa yung nanay mo. Wow. Set, go. Go. Diretso, diretso. Oo, not the car.
Oh no!
Huwag mabilis. Not so fast. Focus. Not so fast. Okay. Okay. Good job. Good job. Brake if you need. Yay!
I understand it.
Oh, again. Alam na niya. Alam na daw niya. If you have to brake. Oh. Okay, brake. Ang magnanay nagbabike.
Go to the highway.
Matakbo na ako. Ang galing ni Khaled, oh. We're gonna cross the street. Galing.
Follow me, ha?
Keep going. Go. Just keep going. Khaled, pedal. Come on. Diba nakabike ka sa grass? Ang galing mo. Ang galing mo. Oh. Di, para maabutan natin yung reward mo. Okay. May reward siya pagka, punta kami dun. We're gonna get that. We're gonna get his reward.
Myself that I can balance.
Yeah. Don't hit anything, ha? Not the tree.
Okay.
Focus on the sidewalk. Okay.
I believe in myself and it worked.
Yeah, good job. May reward ka kay Lala. Dali.
Oh, wait, try again. That's it.
You have to believe in yourself and you should be proud. Sige lang, keep going. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, go. Don't hit the fence, ha?
My goal is to balance perfectly.
Oh, good job. Goal mo, makakain ka ng cookies, ice cream cookies.
Buddy, do not hit any vehicles.
Oo, sige na,
and
go.
do not hit
Opo, good job.
objects.
Good job, baby.
Oh my god.
Not so fast. Control. Control. Matakbo na ako ah. I'm now running. Okay, ang galing ah. Ang galing. Diyos ko Lord, ang layo nga nila. Ang galing ni Khaled oh. Nakafollow siya kay mami niya. Oh, good job. Nakakatawa ba? Hindi niya magnanay. Walking pagod na. Baboy na. Pag ganyan, titigil ang mga car. Kita mo. At dito, disiplinado. I-stop ang mga kotse dito pag may tumatawid. Pag hindi ka nag-stop, pwede kang ireklamo. Nakamit dun sa kanyang reward. Almost there. Takbo! Run! Yay! Yan na! Ang reward ni Khaled. Crunchy dog. Yun na. Grabe. Ayan. Ito, order niya yan. That is reward.
I want the ice cream.
The Oreo.
I want, yeah. Tanggal mo muna helmet mo. Store.
Fast learner.
Yeah, I'm a fast learner.
Ano sabi mo kanina? Say it again.
I always get hurt, but it doesn't hurt so much. So I just say a positive attitude.
Galing yan ang apo ko.
Thank you.
It's mine. Thank you, baby love. Bolo. Yum, yum, yum. Ayun yung reward niya. Yeah.
Oh, sis, masarap to. Black Forest, you.
May parfait bang Oreo?
Sarap, mukhang masarap ah.
Dadala ng bike ni Khaled. Ang layo ko nung binila namin ng ice cream. So, dun sila magnanay. Ako dito ako. Ang liit ng bike ko. Iniwan ako, ang layo nila. Ang liit ng bike ko.
Keep going. Get up. Careful. Just keep going, Khaled. Slow down. Where are we going?
Oh, we're going to meet
Hmm? Don't hit me. It's nice to bike here. See? When you grow up, you're gonna learn how to do that. Hey, slow down. Good job, Khaled.